CATIA V5. So we're going to take a look at the following. So pattern analysis. As you can see over here, I have a simple part. Within this part, I have the following pattern over here. So this will be a circular pattern in the middle. After that, I have over here a rectangle. This is only on one direction. We can go ahead and we can add additional if you want to. So keep in mind that those will also be listed over here. And I have over here, as we can see, another sketch, which will be the following. So over here, I just added multiple points using the point tool, and I'm using a custom pattern in order to duplicate this. So this is called user pattern within CATIA, and we can go ahead and we can do the pattern analysis for this one. As you can see, we have rectangular, circular, and user. So these are the three types of pattern. And over here we have the context. So in this case, all my design is only within solid, so I'm gonna have those listed over here. But keep in mind that you can also have those pattern on volume context and also on surface context. And this will actually show you the number of instances, as you can see over here. You can't edit it, so I can just double click over here and edit in order to add towards that circular pattern, but they will be listed over here. So we're going to have the type, the context, the instance, and the object that is being patterned in this case. Keep in mind that you still need to go over here in order to modify those. As you can see, those are now modified. Okay, so this was an overview regarding pattern analysis. Just like whole analysis, this will just showcase those features within the product tree. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.